What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here in Dollar Tree. It's a new location and I'm finding the cutest things for the week. We have the Sincerely Jules collab with Scoonsy, the brand new scrunchies for the week. We also have a super cute 2-pack here, also brand new. We have brand new RD Royal Deluxe hair bows. They're very much like JoJo bows. The brand is RD Royal Deluxe Accessories. We have the jumbo scrunchies, you guys, and they are really big, super big scrunchies. We have blue, we have red. One of these just fell down. These are super cute as well. We have purple, we have black. We have these up here, these varieties. These are really, really nice. They are pretty big. These are also brand new for the week. Ooh, even more. Look at these. These are cute. More new barrettes. We have a green one down here that's also brand new. I think these ones have been here. These are also brand new, you guys. Look at these. This size, and we have this size. Also this week, you guys, we have brand new Ioni lashes. We have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My store has 10 new varieties in stock. I think though we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we have 16 new varieties of Ioni lashes. This is what the display looks like. These are brand new and these will go fast. I think we have some new brushes as well. I want to share those with you. What's this? Shaving soap. Ooh, these are new. 12 plus uses. We have the mini Secret Outlast. Those are definitely new as well. The hyaluronic acid, the rose gel face mask. This location has the serums. Birdie and I have been liking those. Clay, charcoal, gold, the retinol. I saw this last week in one of my locations. It's brand new, the micellar water, and this is also brand new. The Pond's Light Moisturizer, perfect for our hot months we have coming up. These are also brand new for the week. The Cleansing Facial Scrubbers helps remove impurities from clogged pores, works with your favorite cleanser or scrub. And then we also have a purple. This is the display that I was looking for, and some of these items are already sold out in my store. But we have this little container, and it's like a really squishy cup. Some nail accessories. We have beauty blenders in a nice little case. Makeup brushes. Nail accessories. the little matchbook nail files. I don't know if that's supposed to be here. These are cute, cute little nail files. I think we just have, I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 prints. Oh, 2 prints. Purple and blue. And then we have this mirror. And we probably have a purple one somewhere. Yep. Here's the purple one. We have cute, cute, cute little brushes. These would fit perfect in your hand. These are so cute. Also in the blue. And then we also have the little manicure set. We have the blue star and we have the purple star. I'm not sure if we have any new makeup this week. We do have some name brand stuff, but I'm just not sure if it's new. The cat suits are still here. The Wet n Wild mascara is still here. The metallic violet eyeliner from Maybelline is still here. We have some blushes from Wet n Wild. Anything else? This super cute pedicure, flip-flops and toe separators. Ooh, these are new. Brand new nail files by Sassy and Chic. We have a few different prints. I think these toenail clippers with the silicone are also new. I think some of these are new too. The packaging looks new. The eye glow polishes. I really like the eye glow polishes. Sometimes they have a lot of different color choices, so I want to just look through them for a minute and see. No, I think we have this one, this one, and I think that's it. Yeah, just the two varieties. This one is really cute. You usually need about 2 to 3 coats of those, but I really like them. They're like decently long lasting, not like super long lasting, but I've been pretty happy with them. Ooh, I think this is new. I think this is brand new from LA Colors. I've shared some of the new nails with you guys in past weeks, but this location still has some in stock, so that's nice. And the Snap Scares are still here. The Dream Lumi highlighting concealer is still here. That's by Maybelline. Look at these. Whoa. Don't forget about those new lashes if you come in, you guys, because they are really, really pretty if you're into lashes. Oh, and these are amazing. It's always great when you can find this here in Dollar Tree. But all right, you guys, that's it for this video. Definitely come right back and watch another one. I'm going to be filming a lot of videos in Dollar Tree today, probably all in this location. So you guys definitely come back. It's going to be sort of a different layout, and we're probably going to see a lot of new things here in this location because this store is really big. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.